Today, we are tackling a question that often confuses many. What is the difference between critical illness insurance and medical or health insurance? We will discuss it in simple terms so you can decide which one or both are right for you. So let's break it down. Hi folks, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting your wealth. Today, we are decoding medical insurance versus critical illness insurance. Let's start with medical insurance or health insurance. This is the most common type of insurance which helps you cover hospitalization and medical expenses. For example, if you break a bone and need surgery or you get hospitalized for any illness like dengue, your medical insurance will pay for things like medical bills, tests, and medicines up to the limit of your policy. Think of it as your safety net for unforeseen medical expenses due to any disease. Now, critical illness insurance is very different from it. This policy gives you a lump sum payment if you are diagnosed with a covered critical illness. For example, cancer, heart attack, stroke, or kidney failure, etc. These are the illnesses that can be fatal for us. But here is the key part. Critical illness insurance is mainly designed to act as your income replacement. Why? Because a major critical illness doesn't just affect your health, it can also impact your ability to work and may result in a job loss. For example, if you are recovering from a stroke or undergoing long-term cancer treatment, you might be unable to work for months or few years. This can be devastating, especially if you are the primary breadwinner. You can use the critical illness insurance payout to cover your household expenses, repay loans, EMI for house, kids' education, or even for alternative medicines. Remember, it's not just about paying medical bills, it's about ensuring financial stability during this tough time. Let me explain this with an example. Imagine a person named Kumar. Mr. Kumar had medical insurance with a coverage limit of $50,000 and also critical illness policy of $500,000. Now, Kumar is diagnosed with throat cancer. His medical insurance covers for hospitalization and surgery expenses, which is $15,000. But Kumar also needs to undergo chemotherapy for next 6 months and has to take unpaid leave from work. Here is where the critical illness insurance steps in. Upon diagnosis itself, Mr. Kumar got full $500,000 payout from his critical illness policy. No need to show the medical bills or hospitalization papers. It is fully paid only on the diagnosis of critical illness. He uses part of $500,000 for the chemotherapy and the rest to cover household expenses while he is recovering. This is because he could not get the renewal of his medical insurance next year. Remember, it is possible that medical insurance will pay for your immediate medical expenses but may not continue the policy in coming years. And let's not forget, Kumar's recovery might take years. In this case, the lump sum payout of $500,000 helped replace Kumar's income, so he doesn't have to worry about paying his bills while he focuses on getting better with peace of mind. A very interesting point to note, Kumar also had a $2 million life insurance policy, but he did not get anything out of it. In fact, he needs to pay the premiums for his life insurance policy regularly. It is because the life insurance money is paid upon death of the insured, not when he is diagnosed with critical illness. Now let's summarize the key differences. I will display them here on the screen, categorized by coverage, type, usage, and income replacement. Feel free to pause the video to review the text in detail. Here you might be wondering, which one should I choose? Ideally, you need both. Medical insurance takes care of your immediate hospital expenses, while critical illness insurance ensures you don't face financial strain if you are unable to work for many months due to major illness. Think about it. How would you pay your bills if you could not work for next 4 or 5 years due to critical illness? That's the peace of mind critical illness policy brings. I hope this video clears up the confusion between these two types of insurances. Now, Last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. Medical insurance and critical insurance both are essential. One covers your medical bills and the other secures your income for the next 4 to 5 years. Together, they provide the 100% complete protection you need if you face a critical illness. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on protecting your wealth and securing your future. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I will see you in the next video.